Meet Windsurf, the free AI code editor that writes, edits, and runs your code while you watch. In this video, we install it, launch it, and test it, step by step, no fluff.
Windsurf is an AI-powered code editor built on the familiar VS Code foundation. It gives you AI autocomplete, an inline command for natural language edits, and an agent that can change multiple files and run terminal commands for you.
Everything runs in the cloud, so you don't need a powerful GPU.
One quick note, since June 2026, Windsurf is officially called Devin Desktop. Same editor, same steps, new name on the screen. We'll use both names here.
Before you start, check the basics. Windows 10 or later, 64-bit. Macs need a version that still gets Apple security updates. 10.15 Catalina is no longer supported. Linux needs Ubuntu 20.04 or a similar recent distro.
4 GB of RAM minimum, 8 recommended, about 2 GB of free disk space, and an internet connection for the AI features.
Open your browser and go to windsurf.com/download. The page shows the Mac section first, so click See All Download options to reach your platform.
On the Windows card, click Download for x64 or ARM64 if you're on an ARM laptop. The installer is about 200 megabytes.
The file downloads. Head to your Downloads folder when it's done.
Double-click the installer. Windows asks for permission, so click Yes on the User Account Control prompt. The Setup wizard opens.
Tick I accept the agreement, and click Next.
Keep the default install location. It installs to your user folder. Click Next.
Here's the important part. Make sure Add to Path is checked. That lets you launch Windsurf from the terminal later. Add a desktop icon if you like, then click Next.
Installation takes under a minute on most machines. The progress bar does the talking.
Click Finish and Windsurf launches for the first time. On a Mac, you get a DMG instead. Double-click it, drag the app icon into your Applications folder, then launch it. If macOS blocks the app, go to System Settings, Privacy and Security, and click Open anyway. We'll cover that fix in detail later.
On first launch, Windsurf asks how you want to start. Import settings and extensions from VS Code or Cursor, or choose Start Fresh. We'll go with VS Code here.
Pick a color theme. Dark is the default. You can change it anytime.
Keep Install the Terminal command checked. That's the path shortcut for the command line. Then log in or sign up for a free account with your email or Google account.
Welcome in. This is the starting page. Chat with the agent, create a new project, or open a folder.
Let's test it. Click New Project, pick a folder, and create a new file called hello.py. Type print open parentheses, quote, hello Windsurf, quote, close parentheses, and save.
Open the integrated terminal with Control and the backtick key, and run Python hello.py. There it is. Hello Windsurf. Your install is fully working.
Press Ctrl+L to open the agent panel. That's Devin Local, the built-in AI agent. Chat mode answers questions. Code mode actually edits your files. This is the heart of Windsurf.
If the terminal says Windsurf is not recognized, don't worry. It's the path issue. We open the terminal first. Still failing? Rerun the installer and make sure Add to Path is checked, or add the Windsurf folder to your system path manually.
On a Mac, the most common block is the developer cannot be verified. Open System Settings, go to Privacy and Security, and click Open Anyway. Then confirm with your password or Touch ID. Launch Windsurf again. Done.
Check your version anytime under Help. About. As of August 2026, the release line is 3.7. Versions move fast, but the steps stay the same. 2 power tips. On Windows, install with Wingit, install Codeium, Windsurf. On a Mac, brew install --cask, Windsurf.
That's Windsurf installed, launched, and tested. Open a project, press Ctrl-L, and let the agent do the heavy lifting. If this helped, subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. And happy coding!